I'm Hannah Rennie. I'm a conservation officer with Fife Coast and Countryside Trust. I'm supporting our project manager Sarah MacDonald with engagement within the Leven community. So I'm kind of building up a suite of engagement activities and working with a few different groups on a few different things. One of those projects we've been working on recently is with the Community Trade Hub, getting these notice boards put up in a little area of woodland here that we call Dam Wood. I think it's known by a lot of different names within the local community though. Basically these were created by youth groups within Community Trade Hub and they kind of led on the project. They've now been installed here and we're hoping to fill them with posters about different events that we've got going on, a little bit about the wider Leven Programme project as well, and I'm hoping to do a little Species of the Month poster just to tell anybody walking through this area a little bit about local wildlife and what they can maybe see as they're walking along the river here. And hopefully when other organisations involved in the project also get different events up and running, they can put posters up here to let the community know what's happening, and it just gets the word out there a little bit about what's going on.
Community Trade Hub, we work with the schools within Fife. What we do is we try to take on some of the kids that are maybe not doing as well at school, need a wee bit of guidance. We've got some tradesmen to work with. We do a bit of joinery work, a bit of electrical work, tiling, plastering. It's just basic life skills. We try to get them involved and get them to take part in stuff that's going on in the community. If they take part, then it's more liable to be looked after, is the way we look at it. We were approached by Hannah and we took it on, and the kids that we bring in from the school, we made it part of a project for them. So this has been ongoing for the last month, 5 weeks. So today's installation day.
As much as we can, we're trying to utilise local skill set for this project and the different things that we want to happen. So it was a perfect fit with the Community Trade Hub. They have the expertise and the skill set locally within their group to provide these sort of things like the notice boards and other things that were going on. So we're hoping to work with them a little bit more in the future as well. And it's just good to create those sort of partnership projects ongoing.